guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we will be seeing how to make a paper multi-layer lunchbox. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need a square piece of paper. So I'm taking pink. You guys can take any color you like. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line in half. So now I'm folding the other part in half. Next step is that we're supposed to fold all sides of the paper to the middle point, like this. So we have to do this slowly. So after we complete this, we have to fold any two opposite sides to the middle point, like this. Then we have to unfold it and we have to fold the other two opposite sides to the middle line. Then we have to unfold it back again. So after we complete this, we have to open any two flaps like this, and we're supposed to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line here. Now I'm taking the bottom point and I'm folding it to the top like this. Now we have to repeat the same step, but we have to do it in the opposite way. Now I'm repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper like this. So after we complete this, I'm just folding the paper in this way to make a box. So now I'm folding it on the opposite side. So now we have a box. So next step is that I'm taking some tape and I'm just taking this tape onto the middle so that the box is well and it is strong enough. So after we complete this, I'm making 3 more boxes like this in different colors to make the lunchbox very beautiful. You guys can make it in the same color or you can use different colors. So I'm just going to make 4 because I want the box to be small. So if you guys want to make a big box, you can do more of it. So after we complete this, I just made a white box which is big like this. So now I'm just going to take a glue bottle and I'm going to glue all these 4 boxes together. So I'm applying some glue on the boxes to stick them together. So we have to stick them slowly like this. So now I'm applying some glue on them so that they all stick well. So after we stick them all, we just have to give them some time to dry so that they stick well. So after they are dry, we're just supposed to take this white box and we're supposed to glue all of these inside here. So I'm just going to squeeze all of these here so that they fit in. So we just have to do this slowly. So you guys can make a bigger box if you like, because it will be more easy to squeeze them in. So we have to squeeze them in slowly. So after we finish, they'll be squeezed in like this. So you guys can also glue them to the box so that they are more steady and they are stick well inside. So now I'm just going to take a white rectangular strip of paper. So you guys can take any color you like. So I'm just going to be applying some glue on the corner parts of the paper like this. So now I'm just going to be sticking this part onto the box we made. So you guys can make a cover if you like to make it more safe, but I'm just going to keep it like this because I want it to be open. So now you can just put any fruits and other clay decors into it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. Bye!